What is going on, Team Lethal fans? Joe with Lethal Performance here, and today I have a little bit of a fun one here. I have the brand new Corsa Catback system for the 21 and up F-150s. This one here particularly, very shortly here, is going to be going on our 21 Whipple charged F-150, and I'm just going to go over briefly here before we put it on the truck, go over the few options that are available for these exhausts depending on what truck you have and whatnot, and yeah, give you a rundown before it's on our truck, and then give you some sound clips, of course. Before I open this up and before I get it out here on the table, I definitely want to talk about the different ways that you can order these exhausts. Now, they do have options depending on whatever style of truck you have. If you have a single cab short bed, they have an exhaust for you. And the same goes for if you have an extended cab or a crew cab, which we also do have a crew cab. It doesn't matter whether you have a different bed style, such as a shorter bed or the extended bed, that you can get option with these trucks. They have an exhaust, a specific part number for each style. So make sure when you're ordering it that you order with that correct part number. All of the part numbers are going to be listed below in the description there, so definitely go ahead and take a look at those, check those out for whichever model of truck you have and for whichever configuration you have of the truck. So now, let's take it out of the box. Corsa stickers, that's always important. So now they have it all here up on the table, you may be asking yourself, how can a catback exhaust system for a four-door, full-size pickup truck be this small? And I'm here to answer that. To start, this is their side exit, but it's their side exit in front of the rear wheel. Basically what you'd see on like a Ford Lightning. Now, this system particularly, we decided to go with simply because we thought it would look better on the truck. Although they do have their regular dual exit out the rear and also their side exit behind the rear wheel that you would normally see on like a stock pickup truck. They also have two different types of tips that you can get with these. Either the black polish tips like we went with, or just go with your standard polish tips. For the 5-liter F-150, it comes with two different sound types. You have your sport sound, and you have your extreme sound. With the sports system, you're going to be seeing roughly a 14 decibel increase over the stock exhaust system. With the extreme exhaust system, you're going to be seeing roughly a 20 decibel increase over the stock sound. Although, with the EcoBoost 3.5-liter model, you can only get the sport sound system at the moment. Corsa makes all of the 21 and up F-150 exhaust systems here in the United States out of 304 stainless steel. Corsa has also noted that regardless of the system, they've seen an 80% increase in the amount of exhaust flow out of their systems versus the stock systems, which is going to be perfect for our Whipple F-150 that's definitely seeing a lot more flow than the stock exhaust is meant to handle. While this system should give the truck an amazing sound at the end of the day, it's also going to be super quiet at cruising speeds, as Corsa has always done with a lot of their systems with their no drone technology. To conclude the overview, you've got 3 different exit styles to choose from, you've got 2 different sound levels to choose from, and you've got one of the industry's best no drone technology in any of their exhaust systems. So let's go ahead and move on to the sound portion.